If you are working in an office or an organization, you need to maintain employee attendance. And every month you need to clear previous attendance sheet to insert new data. In today's video, we will see how we can create a fully automated attendance sheet in an Excel file, which will be blank automatically with a single click, and the previous data will be saved. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is a highly advanced attendance sheet which I have created in Excel. I'll show you why I am calling it highly advanced. Most of the things will be managed through drop-downs like month, year. Even the week offs will be managed through drop-downs. Suppose I have got 2 week offs on Saturday and Sunday. So I'll select the days from here, and both the days which we selected right now will get highlighted. In case we have got only Sundays as week off, I'll delete Saturday from here, or I'll select none from my drop-down list, and only Sundays will be highlighted. These cells are highlighted as well as restricted. I'll insert something over here, and I'm getting an error alert. Cancel. I'll insert something over here, and I'm able to insert. I'll delete this, and I'll select Saturday as another week off. Now I'll try to insert something, and I'm getting an error alert. Means I'm not able to insert anything over here. Cancel. In case your week offs are not fixed, you can delete both and you can do the entry manually. Week off, week off. So in this scenario, we will not be bound to select the week offs which are already formulated. I'll select my Saturdays and Sundays. I'll come on right hand side. The part which is highlighted in indigo is today. If I'll have to do some entry on 25th, date of 25th will be highlighted in indigo then. In the end, we have got EOM, means end of the month. In end of the month also, we will not be able to insert any data. Cancel. I am getting an error alert. Cancel. On extreme right hand side, we have got the count of present, absent, week offs, holidays, PL means paid leaves, SL, sick leaves and half days. On the top, we will get name of all the holidays. Month of February has no holidays, so we are not able to see name of holidays over here. Name of the holidays will be featured only when if there will be any. I'll come in the right hand side. When your month will be complete and you will need a new sheet to do the entries, you will have to click over here on new month. Currently we have 4 tabs: instructions, setting, attendance entry sheet and Jan. And this attendance sheet is for month of February. I'll click over here on new month and my attendance sheet got blank. And the attendance sheet of February got saved over here. We will rename it Feb. We will come in our attendance entry sheet, means main sheet, and this is totally blank now. We are able to see only week offs. I'll change it and I'll do it March. We were not able to see any holidays in February, but when we change the month, March, name of holidays got featured over here on the top. Even the column of holidays got highlighted in blue. We will come in right hand side, and over here number of holidays got counted automatically. Even the week offs will be calculated automatically every month. When I change the month to April, number of week offs got 10 and number of holidays got 3. This sheet is highly advanced, but this sheet will not be able to do something. And what are those things? I'll tell you. What this attendance sheet can't do? It can't change the month automatically. You will have to change it from the drop down. Means you will have to select the month whenever you want to change it. It can't select your week offs automatically. You will have to select from drop down. Here are week offs. You will have to select it manually. In case you have got only Sundays as week off, select Sunday, and Sundays will be highlighted as well as restricted. If your week offs are on Friday, select Friday and Fridays will be highlighted as well as restricted. What's the third thing which attendance sheet can't do? After saving the file, it can't change the month's name itself. You will have to do it manually. We will come in attendance entry sheet. We have selected the month of March. We will come in right hand side. We will click on new month and the attendance of March got saved over here. We will have to rename it manually. March. The fourth thing which our attendance sheet can't do, it can't update your holidays list. You will have to update it manually in the setting sheet. Here is the setting sheet. And you will have to update your holidays every year. Now we will create a new attendance sheet. We are not going to create the format because formatting part takes lots of time. I have removed all the formulas and formatting from this sheet. We will come in our setting sheet. We will select list of holidays. We will go in define name and we'll put a name. We will put the name as holidays and we'll do OK. Now we will come in our attendance sheet and we'll start our entry. We will create drop down list for months. I'll click over here. We'll go in data, data validation, list. In source, we will type name of all the months from Jan to December. We will do OK and our drop down list got created. But there's an error. We will go in data once again, data validation. We will put comma over here and after September we will put another comma. We will do OK and our drop down list got created very properly. We will select Jan. Now we will create drop down list for years. We will go in data once again, data validation, list, and in source we will type years 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030 and we'll do OK. So drop down list for years got created. We will select 2023. We will insert drop down list for days. We'll go in data, data validation, list, and in source we will type from Monday to Sunday. We will do OK and our drop down list got created. We will create another drop down list. We will drag this and our second drop down list got created. Now we will insert formula for dates and the formula will be plus or equal to date value, bracket open, double inverted comma 1, double inverted comma close, and we will select the month and we will select the year. We will close the bracket and we will hit enter. So first date got inserted. When we will change the month, the first date will also change. We will insert formula for last date and the formula will be plus or equal to EO month means end of the month, bracket open. We will select the first date, comma, 0. We will close the bracket and we will hit enter. So last date also got inserted. We will change the month and we'll check it. Now we will insert formula for dates plus or equal to. We will select this date and we'll hit enter. So first date got inserted. Formula for second date and rest of the dates will be totally different. And the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, first date is smaller than last date. We will press function F4 and our cell will be logged, comma, first date plus 1, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So second date also got inserted. We will drag this till end. You will notice one thing over here. Currently we are in the month of Jan, so the dates are showing till 31st. When we will change the month, the dates are showing till 28th. Now we will insert formula for days and the formula will be plus or equal to text, bracket open. We will select the first date, comma, double inverted comma, DDD, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So formula for days got inserted. We will insert one criteria over here. We will click just behind text. If, bracket open, first date is equal to blank. For blank we will insert double inverted comma twice, comma, double inverted comma, EOM means end of the month, double inverted comma close, comma, we will come in the end and we will close the bracket and will hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. And in the month of Feb after 28th, it's showing EOM means end of the month. We will change the month, Jan, and in Jan EOM is not visible. Instead date and days are visible. Now we will insert formula for holidays and the formula will be plus or equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. So in lookup value we will select the first date, comma, lookup array means table array. For table array we will be going in setting sheet and will select date as well as holidays list, comma, name of the holidays are in second column, so we will put 2 over here, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So name of the holiday got inserted over here. We will do one thing. We will come in our formula bar and we will log the cells. We'll click just in front of B4 and we'll press function F4. We'll click in front of C29 and we'll press function F4 and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. and we can see some error over here. So we will insert if error just behind VLOOKUP, if error, bracket open, we will come in the end, comma, double inverted comma twice, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We will come in the beginning and we'll drag the formula once again. Now we are able to see name of holidays over here very properly. When I change the month, Feb, there are no holidays in February. When I change it to March, we are able to see name of holidays over here. Now we will insert formulas over here, and the formula will be plus or equal to count if, bracket open, we will select from first date till last date. We will come in formula bar, we will insert dollar behind F and dollar behind AJ, comma, we will select this, we'll insert dollar between AK5, we will close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So formula got inserted, we will drag this till end and we'll drag this till here. Formula for week off and holidays will be totally different, so we will delete this from here and we'll insert formula for week offs. And the formula will be plus or equal to count if, bracket open, our week offs will be managed from here, means this drop down from the top. We will select this, we'll press function F4, comma, we will select the first drop down over here. We'll press function F4 once again, bracket close, plus count if, bracket open, we will select this, we'll press function F4, comma, we will select this drop down now, we'll press function F4, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we will drag this till end. So formula for week offs got inserted. We will check by changing the month. We will do it Jan, and in Jan number of week offs are total 9. In Feb it's 8. In March again 8. In April it's 10. So this formula is working very properly. Now we will insert formula for holidays, and the formula will be plus or equal to count A, bracket open, we will select from first till last, we will press function F4 and the cells will be logged, bracket close, minus count blank, bracket open, we will select this once again, we will press function F4, we will close the bracket and we will hit enter. So number of holidays got counted over here very properly. We will change the month, we will do it Feb, and in Feb there are no holidays, so it's showing 0. March, 4 holidays are over there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this formula is also working very properly. Now we will do some conditional formatting. We will select the whole sheet, we'll go in home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to P, means present, and we will select green color. OK. We'll go in conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to absent, we will select red color and we'll do OK. We'll go in conditional formatting once again, highlight cell rule, equal to, we will select PL over here, means paid leave or privileged leave, we will select yellow color, OK. And in the same way you can select color for rest of the leaves or holidays. When I'll put P over here, it's getting green, A getting red, PL getting yellow. I'll delete this. Now we will highlight our Saturdays and Sundays as well as end of the month. I'll select the month of February. I'll select the whole sheet, means from first to last date. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and I'll put a formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to, I'll take this down, we'll click on the first day, we'll insert the first dollar, which is just behind F5. So dollar will be between F and 5 only, is equal to, we will select the first drop down list. We'll click over here on the drop down and we'll select custom format, fill. From here we will select red color. OK. OK. So we have selected Saturday over here. So Saturdays got highlighted. In case I'll select Monday, our Mondays will get highlighted. I'll do it Saturday. Now we will highlight our second day. We'll go in conditional formatting, manage rules, and we'll duplicate the rule which we have inserted right now. Duplicate rule. We'll click on this rule and we'll click on edit rule. We will delete this cell reference and we'll click over here. and we'll do OK. OK. And the second day also got highlighted. When I'll select some other day, Thursday, so Thursdays are getting highlighted. I'll do it Sunday. Now we will highlight our EOM, means end of the month. We will select this. We'll go in conditional formatting, manage rules, and we'll duplicate this rule once again. We'll click over here and we'll go to edit rule. We will delete this cell reference from the end. We'll put double inverted comma, EOM, double inverted comma, close, and we will do OK. OK. So our EOMs also got highlighted. Now we will highlight our today, means current day. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, use a formula to determine which cells to format, and our formula will be plus or equal to, we will select the first day, we'll remove the dollar from here, is equal to today, bracket open, bracket close. We'll click on the drop down, custom format, background color, we will take as indigo, font, we will take as yellow, and we'll do OK. OK. Today haven't got highlighted. Seems we have done something wrong. We will go in manage rule. We'll click over here, edit rule. We had selected F5, but the dates are in F4. So we will do it F4 and we'll do OK. OK. So our today got highlighted, means current day is highlighted now. Now we will highlight our holidays. I'll select the month of January. We will select the whole sheet from 1st to 31st. We'll go in conditional formatting, new rule, classic, and from here we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And our formula will be plus or equal to count if, bracket open, holidays, comma, we will select the first holiday, we'll remove dollar from here, we'll close the bracket, we'll go in drop down, custom format, and we will select a color from here. OK. OK. So our holidays got highlighted. When I'll change the month, March, the whole column of holidays are getting highlighted. I'll do it Jan. I'll come over here in the drop down. We'll go in data, data validation, and we'll put none just behind Monday. None, comma, OK. Over here also we will do the changes, data validation, and just behind Monday or just before Monday we will type none, comma, we will do OK. Now we will restrict our Saturdays, Sunday, holidays, and end of the month. We will click over here, just below first day, we will go in data, data validation, and we will select custom, and we will insert our formula, and our formula will be plus or equal to, we will take this down, we will click over here, we will insert dollar between F and 5, smaller than, greater than means not equal to, we will select this, we'll press function F4, we'll take this in bracket, into bracket open, we will select this once again, we'll insert dollar between F and 5, not equal to, this time we will select the second drop down list, we'll press function F4, we'll close the bracket, into bracket open, we'll click over here on the first day, we'll insert dollar, not equal to, double inverted comma, EOM, means end of the month, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, into bracket open. This time we will select our first holiday, we'll insert dollar between F and 3, and we will type is equal to, double inverted comma twice, bracket close, we will go in error alert and we'll insert a title over here, can't insert data, week offs or holidays or month end. We will do OK, we will drag this till down and till here, means till last date. Now we will insert something, P, we are getting an error alert, cancel, we will insert something over here, P, we are getting error alert. We will select none from here, we will insert something in Saturday, P, we are able to insert, P, we are able to insert over here also. I'll delete this, I'll go in the month of February, we will insert something in EOM, P, no, we are not able to insert. Here today's date got highlighted. When I started this video it was 24th, so 24th was highlighted. Now it got 25th, so 25th is highlighted now. I'll select Saturday and Sunday and we'll select month as January. Now we will insert a macros over here. We will go in Insert, Illustrations, Shapes, and we will select a shape. We'll double click on the shape and we'll type new month. We'll click on the box, we'll go in Home, we'll take this in center and in mid. We'll increase the font size. We will take it over here on the top. We'll resize this and we'll put over here. We will make this dark and we'll change the font color. Now we will record our macros. I'll take this sheet in the end. Our attendance sheet is over here in extreme right hand side. Now we will go in View or Developer tab. We'll click on Record Macro and we'll give macro a name, New Month. You can't put a space between new and month, so I have taken together, New Month. OK. And recording of macro got started. We will click on the tab, we will right click the mouse, move or copy, move to the end, create a copy, and we will do OK. So our copy got created. We will come on the top and we'll delete this. Now we will go in the main attendance sheet where we were doing our entries. We will select this whole sheet from 1st to 31st and we will press delete. Means we will delete each and everything from here except the formulas. Now we will click over here. We'll stop recording macro and the macro got recorded. The sheet which we created right now, we will delete this. Delete. Now we will assign our macro. We'll click on the shape. We'll right click the mouse. Assign macro. This is the macro which we recorded right now. We'll click over here and we'll do OK. Now we will do some entries. Currently we have got 3 tabs, 1, 2 and 3. The month is Jan. We will click over here on new month and the sheet got totally blank and the attendance of January got saved over here. I'll double click over here on the name and we'll put the name as Jan 23. We'll come in main attendance sheet and we'll select the month of February. We'll do some entries. I have done some entries for the month of February. I'll click over here on new month and the data got empty. The new sheet got saved over here of February. I'll rename this Feb 23. This is our main sheet. One thing to remember over here. In case you have selected just one day and you will try to insert anything over here, it will not be restricted. To restrict it, you will have to select both the days. In case you have got only one off day, just do it none. Now do entry over here and it's restricted. Same in the case of holidays. If 1 week off will be blank, the entries can be done in holidays also. It can't be restricted. So to restrict your holidays, week offs and month ends, you will have to select both the cells. Either none or some days. So this file is ready now. I'll provide link of this file in my description box. In case you want to download it, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.